supposed to be there 12, but we're going to be like 10 today. I don't really care now. But got a few more stuff. I actually curled my hair and there was no point because the curls were dropped out.
Mine is the same as usual.
Slip bun, makeup by me. So we're getting off now. We're gonna run to the next station because we're late. It's literally 12 now. Get ready, yeah? Alright, I don't even know which way we're going. Way out is that way. No, we're not going out.
Please remember to keep priority seats free and look up to see if someone needs your seats already.
Why is everyone running? We're running up these stairs. Go, go, go. Ask the man.
We have to go to Stockwell.
Is this not Stockwell?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
In the wrong place.
Thank you. We got for the wrong stop. Okay, we're running back down the escalator. No, what's wrong with us? So, we got off at the wrong stop. So we got to wait for another train.
Welcome to Vauxhall Station. We know that travelling might not be the same for us, so feel free to ask us for help.
Why did we get off?
Because you said.
But please keep your distance.
I thought it was.
And remember that some people may.
Hey guys, best friends in a room. They might kiss. What?
We are going to brunch and we're waiting for the train. Going to the south side, baby. We're in Stockwell. And we're just waiting. Got my blazer off because it's absolutely scorching out here.
So when you want to do your vlogs, you don't want to talk, but when it's mine, just do this.
She hates me.
We're just looking for the restaurant now, and we're like 20 minutes late, so we're hoping that they don't have any drama. And I don't have a mask because I'm exempt, guys, before you start saying, where's her mask? I'm exempt, okay?
We made it, guys. We're in South and we're going to the bar now. So hopefully,
if we can find it, it's quite a walk. I couldn't drink anything else unless they bring me a drink.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Thank you. Thank you. Where's yours? I know yours. Thank you. I tried like not yesterday, the day before. Thank you. They've just bought us more shots. I can't drink that. I can't drink that. This girl cannot handle her drink. She was like, yeah, everyone drink, everyone drink. Look at her. So the bottomless brunch is basically finished now. What's the time? 3:36. And this girl is. So we need to go. It's just embarrassing.
Wrong time, wrong place. Getting some Nando's and Francine is so drunk. We went to a bottomless brunch. How can she be vomiting in the place? And now we're in Nando's because she had to get a popo chips. And she's down there. Absolutely embarrassing. 2 out of 10. Never coming out with her again. Never drinking with her again, ever. Ever. Just having a cheeky Nando's. She's sobering up right now.
Later that same evening.
So we are now in Clapham. We're gonna go to the park because you can see there's many people over there. And the sun's shining, so why not?
Don't drink, guys, it's not worth it. Who would have thought I'd still be out after literally almost dying?
Queen, dramatics, telling me to call the ambulance, you know?
No, do you know what, yeah, I actually felt so sick, I wanted to go to hospital.
Yeah. If you can't handle your drink, don't drink, babe.
No, I haven't drank in like a year, that's the problem. They're playing Candy in the park, so we're going to dance!
Boy, come on,
I wanna know! They're not even doing it right! It's Serrani, just in case you never know.
Just make sure the title of the vlog is not like I stumbled upon it.
Guys, my voice is gone. It's like 2 days after the brunch. I'm just doing my makeup. I don't know where to put this camera. I don't know if this is a good angle, but I don't know what to do. If you're planning on going to Lotus bar, I would say for the drinks, like it's amazing for the drinks, but the food is nasty. Like I vomited at the table, and I don't know if it's because I drank too much or because the food was nasty. The music was good, the drinks were nice, it's just the food was disgusting and the service was really bad, like they were understaffed, so it was taking ages for everything to come. But I had a good time. Overall it was good. You just do my makeup now to film. I've got Zara haul to film, which will come out after this video, I think, or might be out already. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm just putting on my lashes. Does anyone else use hair glue to do their lashes, or is it just me? I feel like eyelash glue just doesn't work for me. It comes off within 5 seconds. I use a hair glue. Been using hair glue since I was in school. But yeah, so I'm just putting on my lash. I was literally the definition of white girl wasted, like 100%. It's embarrassing. I vomited in the restaurant. I vomited in the restaurant's toilets. Then I went to Nando's. I fell asleep in Nando's. Then I went to McDonald's. I fell asleep in McDonald's. Like, am I 5? I used these barrels today to curl my hair. I feel like they did much better than the other day. The other day the curls dropped straight away, so I feel like these will hold a bit longer. My hair's done by Hair by Keely. I'll put her out on the screen if you want to go and get a cheeky half up after. I still need to do my lips, and then makeup's pretty much done. I'm going to start filming, and I'll catch you guys a bit later.